Hey guys, now this recipe today is for one of those lazy weekends when you want to prepare a nice dinner for your family with as little effort as possible. While this honey Dijon chicken bakes up in the oven, it fills your house with the most incredible smell. And everybody will be so impressed when they sit down at the dinner table. They'll never believe how quick and easy it was to prepare. Now let's get started. I'm starting off this ultimate quick recipe by adding a few chicken thighs to a shallow baking dish. These are with skin and bone, but feel free to use any other cut you please. Place the chicken to the side and add to a small bowl 1/4 cup of Dijon mustard and 1/4 cup of honey. This sauce, you guys, is absolutely delectable. It creates the most incredible smell while roasting the chicken in the hot oven. It's an absolute must try. Lastly, I added about a spoonful of olive oil, and I'm gonna give everything a good mix till it's fully combined. If this is your first time here on my channel, I wanna welcome you and thank you so much for tuning in. Be sure to subscribe and click that notifications bell. I post new videos every single week. Now back to that chicken, be sure to season both sides well with some salt and pepper. And the last ingredient, which in my opinion is the shining star of this dish, you'll want to pick 2 sprigs of rosemary from your neighbor's garden. Use a tablespoon of dried rosemary if you can't find any. You're gonna pour all of that honey Dijon glaze all over the chicken and rosemary, nestle everything in there, and get into all those nooks and crannies. You're gonna pop this into the oven and bake it for about an hour at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And now you could go lay down, watch some YouTube videos because my friends, dinner is ready. Serve this up with some creamy mashed potatoes, which complements that honey Dijon so well. This rich golden brown crispy chicken is so moist and juicy inside. It's for sure soon to be one of your go-to recipes.